snap, it's crackle, what a happy sound. You gotta have a crackle or the sound not bound. You can't stop hopping when the girls clapping. Snap, crackle, pop makes the world go round.
What's up, guys? I'm back, and today on the workbench we have a camera, and apparently this guy came in. This is a Canon. What is it? A Canon PowerShot SX730 HS. Just a point and shoot camera. They do have a 40 times optical zoom on them, so they can get up nice and close. About a $600 camera after taxes in Canada. So yeah, apparently everything works fine except the screen doesn't work fine. So I've been tasked with having to look at prior repair damage. So let's see what kind of fun stuff we can get into with this one. Looks like we have 2 screws here. So it went into a repair shop, had somebody replace the screen, and apparently that didn't fix it. Kind of looks like the screen actually might have been shorted, because he sent me a picture of the flex cable, and the flex cable is not looking very good. So they tried to replace the screen, and it didn't really work out. So let's have a look and see here. He's telling me there's damage to the flex cable, so we'll have a look. And apparently there was a connector broken as well. The connector in question is that one there. You can see the trace is totally screwed, and those pins do not look good in there either. They look corroded, is what they look like to me. There appears to be some kind of liquid damage there, and you can see the trace on the right hand side is totally eaten away and gone. So okay, so you can see the job. I basically have run a jumper wire from here to here, soldered on both sides, and then I masked it, so we should be okay. Let's just pull this Kapton tape off of here. Part of the problem is having everything in the right spot. First of all, let's just see if we can get this to feed into here. Going like that. Alright guys, look at that. I got the screen back. It looks like it's working. Well, I'm going to take a picture of this thing working, and that's it for this one, guys. Sorry, I kind of blew it there with the microscope and didn't get you an awesome view of what I was doing. Just a before and after, but basically, yeah, looks like it's good. I just got to throw those last screws in and get in touch with the customer. So that'll do it for this one. Catch you on the next one. Peace.